Hi, good morning students. I think you will be better at home. Now today I am going to take the class of 9 and I will be giving a new topic today I am taking, that is modals. First of all, you know what is modals. Modals are the verbs. Modals are the verbs used to modify modals are the verbs used to modify the mood of the action verb. Modals are the verbs used to modify the mood of the action verb. They are used before the ordinary verb. They are used before the ordinary verb and express. They are used the ordinary verb and express the meaning. Express the meaning such as permission, obligation, certainty, and necessity. So as you know that modals are the verbs used to modify the mood of the action verbs. They are used before the ordinary verb and and express the meaning such as permission, obligation, certainty, and necessity. So first of all, I am beginning to start with have to and has to. First of all is that had to or has to and had to. Where you have to use have to? In the present tense, you have to use have to or has to. So what happens here, when you are going to do any work, suppose if you are bounded, if it is very necessary that you have to do this work, in that very case you use have to and has to. Suppose I have to this work or I have to finish the work, that means it is very necessary. If you don't finish the work, you will get punishment or you will not able to move forward in the class and your portion will be you are going back side. So when you are doing to improve your things and you are able to do that, that means at any cost you have to do your work. That very case you are used to have to. Now listen, see here, by example you can understand that I have to do homework. She has to complete an assignment. From their example you can understand that here she has to complete her assignment. That means at any cost she has to finish her assignment since she has to produce anywhere. Now the second thing I am going to apply is had to. Had to and had to is also similar. It is used in the past form. It is used in the past form and the meaning and style will be the same, only the tense will be changed here. Had to. Better you can understand with this example. She had to finish the work. That means since she had to submit or produce any work there, so she has to finish the work before. I had to withdraw money. I had to withdraw money from bank. That means I had need of money. So due to need of money, I had to withdraw money from bank. Now next portion is that we'll have to do that. We'll have to, in any case we are going to do in the future, in that very case you have to use will have to. Suppose if you want to get any job, then you will have to do hard work for getting good job. That means if you will work hard, in the future you will get good job. So for this you are bonded. This is very necessary that until you not work hard, it is not possible to get the job or do the work nicely. You will have to work hard we will have to work hard for getting good job. That at any cost you have to work hard. Next portion is that in case of negative sentence and question sentence, do, does and did will be used. In case of negative sentence, in case of negative sentence, in case of negative sentence and question sentence, you have to use do, does, did. She doesn't have to go picnic. Better you can understand from this example. That means it is not necessary to go there with picnic. It is a negative form. So in this case you have to use does. You don't have to play there. You don't have to play there. That means it is not necessary to play there. That means something is going wrong. It is not the proper place that guardian will always apprise you that not to play there. So in that very case, where it is not necessary, you are bonded that, in that very case you are not used to, don't have to play there. In negative form you have to use that. Now I am going to apply the next in assignment work. The next video I will give the assignment work. What